So I've got the best kind of news. The best kind of news. And I say that because that seems to be the only kind of news that I ever have on these engine updates for the KhakiCIVIC. I feel like it's gonna be a never-ending process, bro. You guys probably are already aware of if you follow Deadbeat Garage on Facebook, because I posted a video up on there a couple weeks back talking about it. Let me get the hatch in the frame so you guys have something pretty to look at.
Sexy and I know it.
So I took the engine block down, the engine block and the head down to a really cool machine shop here locally in Arizona, S&S Machine, and a guy by the name of Todd there just pulled some quick measurements on the block, and long story short, dude, at the moment the block is fucked. Okay, I mean, just to put it blunt, dude, the block it's not usable unless we actually Mustangs, unless we actually have the thing sleeved. And to be straight up with you, unless you guys, every one of you guys were to buy a sticker, I can't afford to sleeve this damn block right now. I'm sorry. The deal is that the block is already at 82 millimeter. The pistons that I bought for the block are 82 millimeter. Really, you shouldn't be going past 81.5, but I was going 82 just to say, fuck it, let's send it, you know what I'm saying? So, but the problem is that the block is already just a little bit larger than that. He told me like he told me a measurement, but I don't remember. I think he said 5/5000ths larger. I don't know. That makes no sense to me because I'm not a machinist. The block will not properly seal a set of 82 millimeter pistons. So, and I have no interest in boring it out larger than that. Nor do I think that you even can. I mean, it wouldn't last long, you know what I mean? And with the kind of driving that I plan on putting this damn car through, I'm telling you right now, it'd be blown in a matter of weeks, bro. It'd be like, boom, probably on the dyno, you know what I'm saying? So that's just, it's not an option for us right now. Now, when I posted that on Facebook, I did get some responses that had me like, what the? I mean, no hate. I've been fortunate enough to not receive a whole lot of hate in general, and I am, you know, I'm happy about that, you know, because fuck the haters, you know what I'm saying?
West Side!
But anyhow, one guy did mention, dude, don't give up on your dream, bro. I can't believe you're just giving up on your dream that quick. This is your dream block and all that kind of stuff. Just to be straight up with you guys, the ITR block, it's a good block. It's a nice engine to have. I like the fact that it has a factory girdle on the bottom, which, you know, from my understanding, it just makes it to where it's able to handle higher RPMs a little bit better. It's not the end of the world to not have one, I guess. So it is what it is, bro. Like, that's not my dream engine. To be straight up with you, if I had a choice of what to put in here right now, as far as a Honda engine, it would most certainly be a K-swap, dude. I'd be putting a K-swap in this right now. If I had the funds and I wasn't already so invested into B-Series, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, hell, I've got an $800 clutch sitting here. I'm gonna use that clutch, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, dude, bad luck after bad luck, but I'm telling you, in this video, right now, we're gonna pick up a block, dude. And I think you guys already know what block it is, so let's stop talking about it, brother, and let's just go freaking do it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Guess who it is? Hey, yo, Dre, I think they in trouble.
laughing at, fool?
I was praying that it did it on the second time. That would have been cool.
I knew I was gonna end up leaving that fucking banana in there. Fuck.
I try to take care of myself sometimes too. And then I'm just like, eh.
Let me just turn this that way.
Get off my back.
Oh yeah. A couple years, dude, your back's gonna be just like mine, bro.
I stretch.
Crazy Malenko. Crazy Malenko. Crazy Malenko.
Well, it's official, guys. We are going B20, bro. CRV Tech for the khaki hatch. And, I mean, what can I say? There's no replacement for displacement. 2.0 is the way to go. Bigger's always better, right? And my last one, because size fucking matters. Boom! Alright, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm done. I gotta get that bracket off of the ITR and put it on the B20 for the engine stand so that we can get to working on this thing. What is this? Oh. Son of a bitch! Freaking windstorm. Alright, so what we have here, guys, is a B20Z2. So, from my understanding, this is supposed to be the higher compression B20. I don't know, dude. But either way, it doesn't really matter because I am going to have this rebuilt. All the cylinder walls on it look fine. But I mean, it clearly has some miles on it, and I'm interested to know what the, what the bearings and everything look like inside of it. So we're most certainly gonna be opening it up here soon. Get my little bucket, roll the engine over here so it's in the frame with the Civic. Alright, so I got some questions for you guys. I need some comments down below. I want to hear what it is you guys think. There's a couple different options here. I don't know if I want to run all motor or if I should opt to picking up like a cheap turbo kit. You know what I'm saying? Now before you guys get all crazy thinking I'm some kind of baller or something in here, no, I can't afford like a high dollar turbo kit. I was thinking about maybe contacting CX Racing, I believe is what it is. I'm sure you guys know who TJ Hunt is, but TJ Hunt and like Throttle, Evan Beckerman, like they've been using like a lot of CX Racing stuff, like turbo kits and everything on. I believe that's what they used on like Tanner Fox's car, stuff like that. But anyhow, I was thinking about, because I was on their website and they have an entire B series kit for, I think it was like $500 or $600, something like that, dude. I don't know. See, if I go turbo, I'm gonna leave the block, just the stock pistons and not really get into the internals. I'm just gonna have it rebuilt, just a fresh stock rebuild with all new bearings, new rings, all that stuff, new water pump, new oil pump, and then we'll basically slap a turbo on there and maybe push, I don't know, like 10 pounds, I think would probably be safe. Braven, get your damn cat! Hang on. My son's filthy ass cat that don't like me for good reason, because I don't like him. His name's Buster. I named him. Jesus. Yeah, we named the cat Buster, obviously, after the Buster, you know what I'm saying? Funny story, we actually found that cat as a kitten in a parking lot at the movie theater whenever we're all coming out from watching Fast and the Furious. Don't ask me which one, because I don't remember which one. But, dude, I've always hated cats. I'm like, no, 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 no. Every time they've asked for a cat. And then this cat, for whatever freaking reason, I was just like, fine. We'll name him Buster. You know, because we just... Anyhow, back to where we're at, dude. Basically, so whether I'm gonna run turbo or all motor. Now, if I go all motor, what I'm thinking is I found like they have a package where you can buy like the scat rods, which I don't really think I need the rods. What I'm thinking, I'm just gonna do the pistons. You know what I mean? I mean, hell, if I'm gonna do forged rods on an all motor build, but not do forged rods on a freaking turbo build, what is the sense there? Basically, if I buy the turbo kit, I wouldn't be able to afford those rods. That's why. So, if I go all motor, I'm kind of like I'm wanting to get as much horsepower out of it as I can, but like on a budget. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know if I want to go with the 84 millimeter ITR pistons, or if I want to go just CTR pistons and bump this thing up past 13 to 1 compression. I mean, I won't be able to run pump gas, but it is what it is, man. I don't know, dude. Like, these are the things that I'm brainstorming in my head that really, at this point, I should have this stuff figured out, but I just don't, dude. Like, honestly, I never planned on getting this into the build as far as engine-wise. I wanted to rebuild the engine and just throw it back in there. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm getting to where I kind of want to get a little bit more power out of it than just a standard rebuild, you know? So, all right, well, that was my girlfriend calling me. I gotta take off, guys. I gotta go get some stuff done right now. So, this is pretty much the end of the video, man. That's all I got time for. Sorry, but, you know, it is what it is. I know this is probably gonna be a really short one. But please do hit up that comment section. Tell me what you guys think. Should we run with a cheaper kind of CX racing type turbo kit on the khaki hatch, or should we just go all motor, do like a 13-to-1 compression build? And you know, it is what it is, brother. I think either one of them is going to be fun. The turbo build would probably be a little bit more as far as tuning and everything, but I mean, we're obviously going to make a lot more horsepower with a turbo. But I think the all motor thing just has a really cool vibe. Like I've always really liked like all motor. Like, you know, I don't know. It's either way, dude. I've never had a turbo car before, so the thought of going turbo is kind of exciting for me. Let me know what you guys think, man. I'm gonna get out of here before she starts blowing me up. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.